It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
And today we're going to be talking about 2 stocks that you should buy that support the liquor, wine, and beer industry. First one, ticker symbol DEO, Diageo. So just a little bit about Diageo and the brands that they have. They have Guinness malt beer. They have Ciroc. They have Casamigos, which is my favorite tequila. They have Don Julio. I know y'all love 1942. They have Crown Royal and amongst other brands. So, you know, Kettle One, Smirnoff, who cares about that? Nobody drinks that trash. But yeah, Diageo. So they have some of my favorite brands all in one house, and I think that this will be a great investment because overall in the alcohol industry, since the pandemic, things have went up. So I can tell you personally, like they didn't even have enough Don Julio 1942 to put on the shelves. They didn't even have enough Crown Royal cans to put on the shelves because they were selling out so fast. So there's a lot of growth potential in this industry. So Devin, do you have any stories for us about your days of drinking Ciroc?
Nah, you know, I'm not a Ciroc boy, man. I don't have any stories about that. But, you know, a couple Crown and Cokes might do for me. So I didn't know that Diageo was actually the company. So actually going in and doing some research, they're very profitable. They have net income of at least $1.1 billion, right? They make at least $11 billion per year, which is pretty good. Billion-dollar company, huge company, owns several brands. I think the stock is at a great price point right now. It's trading around $192 at the time of this recording. Definitely wait for a pullback on that. But for me, I think this is solid because since the illness has happened, people are definitely getting turned up because either they're depressed or they're just bored or they want to come back outside, do whatever you got to do. So this is definitely a great stock to look into.
No, definitely, for sure, man. I mean, you know, for me personally, again, I'm a big Casamigos guy, and that's what I buy at the house. You know, I'm going to have to start investing in some vodka to have at the house for other reasons, but yeah, you know, I really like this brand and what they sell. And at the end of the day, this is how I see it. Like here in Texas during the pandemic, they allow for delivery of alcohol. They chose to keep that as a mainstay post-pandemic. And all we need now is Texas to pass the law of allowing liquor, hard liquor, to be sold in grocery stores. Once we do that, that is the next step of sending all of these, you know, liquor stocks to the moon. And then even more specifically, once they're able to meet the demand, there's just nothing but profit from there.
Man, that's crazy that you mentioned that because in Louisiana, you can actually go into a CVS or a gas station and you can pull, you know, your Crown Royal right off the shelf. So if they start doing that in Texas, I mean, come on, you know, sky's the limit on that. Yeah. Straight to the moon. But like I said, man, profitable company, sky's the limit. And I mean, it just kind of brings me back to my days of, you know, being fraternity or whatever. And, you know, you got your double fisting, you got your bottles or whatever. Or if you're at the club and you want to get a bottle, you got a section, you're trying to impress some folks. I know Young Equity Chris is, you know, in the sections lately.
No sections for equity. No sections at all. But nah, man, I mean, you're definitely right, man. So Diageo is just one to look out for if you're looking to invest in a liquor stock. So the next one that we're going to give you is ticker symbol SAM, and that's Boston Beer. So I don't know if you noticed, but there's been a lot of people, including myself, who are drinking White Claws and Trulies. And this company owns both. So they own 2 of the biggest hard seltzer can products that are out there on the market. To me, I think White Claw is a very good product. I can drink it and not have a hangover, not get too blasted, but you know, not that I drink that much anyways. So that's why I just stick to a nice, cool White Claw.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's nice, it's smooth. It tastes like water. It has a little seltzer to it, like you're saying. Kind of like malt liquor. Not too bad if you're going out, you're trying to, you know, play football, whatever, you hanging out with the boys, or, you know, you're about to pregame, you're doing some type of party. It's a summer drink. Summer's coming, it's approaching. So definitely gonna go to the moon on this one. The company right now is profitable. Their net income is up 78% from last year. They made $180 million. So definitely get involved with this stock. Right now they're trading at kind of high for the price point. Kind of around the Chipotle numbers here, but it's trading at $11.05.94. So over $1,000 for you to get in and own a share. But it's up I want to say 5.23% in the last week. So there's definitely room for growth. Like we mentioned before, people are going outside, as they say,
Yes,
right?
sir. We outside.
We
Yes,
outside.
sir.
People are outside, man, and they're definitely drinking Trulies and they're drinking their White Claw.
And they also have Twisted Tea, and there's that whole viral video with the Twisted Tea.
Okay, yeah, that's right. When they throw it, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Then they have Sam Adams beer. I'm not much of a beer guy, and if I do drink beer, I probably drink a craft beer. But regardless, the moral of all these stories is these are two stocks you can definitely get involved with if you want to get some of those profits that these liquor and wine companies are going to be getting here coming in the future. But hey, that's all we have for you today. Check out Diageo, check out Boston Beer. Other than that, it's your boy Young Equity Chris.
It's your boy Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
Let's go.